Hi, so my name is Jason, and today marks my 5 months on YouTube. Also, I'm coming up to 5,000 subscribers. Yes! So today, I'll be going back to my YouTube roots. And today we're doing things to do on a rainy day. We start by making the day more exciting. Turn into a dragon. Learn to play a musical instrument. Dance to dubstep. Make starburst balls. It's perfect. It looks so beautiful. Da 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 da. Attempt to do a front flip. Pretend to be a cow. Moo. Cook a pizza. Come on, fit in the holes. Yeah! So if you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button which is down below. That just tells me that you enjoyed it. And if you're feeling really kind, share it on your Facebook and tell your friends about it. So let's see if we can hit 5,000 subscribers today. Okay, bye!